fuck around and pull my hammy. I'm catching plays in these streets, I'm also bitch, call me Randy. If you don't do it for your family, who you doing it for? I'm a real nigga, street smart, educated with a bankroll.
What it do, YouTube? I am back with another banger from a cell phone. I'm gonna tell you the story behind this. I actually, rookie mistake, I recorded the intro to the video that you're gonna be watching today, and I messed around and formatted my SD card. What an idiot. Now, I'm recording this intro for you guys here today to let you know I am doing the wonderful, special, very beautiful Kerrigan Taylor's Volkswagen Jetta here today. I want y'all to watch the entire video. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel because mistakes like this cost me a lot of money and a lot of time. And I'm trying to get monetized. I don't know about y'all. But go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Go ahead and smash that like button. And go ahead and drop a comment at the end of this video letting me know how you guys feel the car turned out. Without further ado, let's get into the real video. Let's go. So with the car fully masked on day 2, it is time to paint the car. This is gonna be one of the biggest cars like I said I've done, or I'm gonna be doing. Wait, this is a big car. And I'm kinda nervous, but no job is too big when it comes to the DipGod. Now is the time for me to shine, and boy, I need y'all to watch this. Stay tuned. Oh, and before I do paint anybody's car, I get into a little mode, and I think this makes me perform better. Alexa, play me some Beethoven.
Ludwig van Beethoven from Apple Music.
It's game time. Let's go. Good morning. It is delivery day. Came in. The car looks absolutely perfect. I can't wait for the customer to be here. I'm gonna go right into the B-roll footage to show you exactly how the car turned out. And y'all better wait for that customer's reaction. Let's do it.
It's so perfect.
You like it?
Yes, I love it. It's literally perfect.
It's not too bright, right?
No.
Alright.
It's perfect. It's like perfect. It is bright, but it's like perfect. Yeah, I love it so much. It's so neat. This is like the exact same color as my gaming chair too.
Oh really?
Yes.
Perfect.
And I love the mat.
It feels different, so here's the keys.
Thank you.
Of course, I got you.
I have to get like one of those pink key covers.
Yeah, you do. Definitely, definitely. So with everything being said and done, another happy customer, another satisfied customer. And when I tell you that pink was bomb, I didn't even think it would look good, but the end result was completely phenomenal. It was astonishing how nice it looked. Like I was shocked. But shout out Kerrigan Taylor for letting me do that to her car, man. And if she didn't stand out before from her 400,000 plus followers on Instagram and her 1.5 million on TikTok, if she didn't stand out before, she's definitely gonna stand out now. And something gonna help me out in the long run. So I'm very, very happy, and I'm even more excited about my future. Almost brings a tear to my eye. So on that note, of course, if you want that done to your car, make sure you jump in my DMs on Instagram. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Make sure you drop a like on this video and comment on this video letting me know how you guys feel this car turned out. RIP my dog Nip, you probably can't see his head. But on that note, on to the next one. I'm actually painting my car pretty soon because that car motivated me to paint my car now. Now I want to do something crazy to my car, so y'all stay tuned for that as well. And for everybody who is subscribed to my channel, I really appreciate y'all. For those that aren't, fuck yeah.
Man, I ran my checkup so much I fuck around and pull my Hemi. I'm catching plays in these streets, I'm also bitch, call me Randy. If you don't do it for your family, who you doing it for? I'm a real nigga, street smart, educated with a bankroll.